Welcome! In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to change the sound for Stories notifications on Messenger. If you've ever wanted a unique tone that helps you easily recognize when someone has posted a story, you're in the right place. It just takes a few quick adjustments in your phone settings. Let's get started. The first step is to open your phone's main settings app. From here, you'll need to scroll down and look for the section called Apps. This is where all of your installed applications are listed, and it's where you'll find Messenger. Once you tap on Apps, search for Messenger and select it. After you've opened Messenger's settings page, the next step is to tap on Notifications. This is where you control all the types of alerts Messenger can send you. To make sure you can customize specific notifications, choose the option called Notification Categories. This will show you all the different types of notifications Messenger can send, such as messages, calls, and of course stories. Now tap on Stories from the list. This is the section dedicated to the alerts you get whenever a new story is posted by your friends or contacts. Once you select Stories, look for the option that says Sound. Tap on it, and you'll be given a list of available notification tones. Here's where the fun part comes in. You can scroll through the list, preview the tones, and then choose the one that feels right for you. Whether you want something subtle or something catchy that immediately grabs your attention, you have full control to make it reflect your style. After selecting your preferred tone, go back and your choice will be saved automatically. And that's it. You've now successfully changed the sound for Stories notifications on Messenger. From now on, whenever a new story goes up, you'll hear the custom tone you picked out, making it easier than ever to recognize and respond. If you found this guide helpful, take a moment to set up your notifications just the way you like them, so Messenger works exactly how you want. Thanks for watching.